In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a polished thumbnail in Polotno Studio. We'll start by opening Polotno Studio. On the home screen, you can either pick a ready-made template or begin with a blank canvas. If you're creating for a platform like YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook, choosing a template that already matches the platform's dimensions is a real time saver and keeps your design crisp and properly scaled. A blank canvas gives you full control, but a sized template can speed up your workflow and prevent cropping issues later. Next, bring in your content. For images, you have two options. If you already have visuals on your computer, click the Upload option on the left and drop them right into your project. If you need fresh visuals, head to the Photos section to browse images from the built-in library, including sources like Unsplash. Choose images that are high resolution so they remain sharp, and try to pick visuals with clear focal points and good contrast so your text stands out over them. Add your text using the text tool. Create a clear, concise title or description that communicates exactly what your thumbnail is about. Customize the font, size, and color to match your style. Bold, legible fonts tend to read best at a glance, especially on smaller screens. Keep your color choices intentional. Light text on dark backgrounds or dark text on light backgrounds improves readability. Adjust placement so your text doesn't sit too close to the edges, and scan the composition at a smaller zoom to make sure it remains readable when scaled down. To give your design personality, incorporate shapes, icons, or stickers from the left side panel. Simple shapes can frame text, point to important details, or create contrast behind headlines. Icons and stickers can help illustrate your topic, but keep them purposeful so your layout doesn't feel crowded. Now arrange everything. Drag and drop elements to reposition them until the layout feels balanced. Use the Layers panel to control what sits in front or behind. Send background images to the back and bring text to the front so it's never hidden. Take a moment to fine-tune alignment and spacing. Consistent margins and even spacing make a design feel professional and polished. When you're satisfied, export your thumbnail. Choose a format like JPG or PNG for digital use. PNG is great for crisp graphics and text, while JPG can be more compact in file size. Make sure your export settings preserve high quality so your thumbnail looks clean and professional wherever it's displayed. Save your file, and you're ready to publish.